Hello, everyone. Welcome. It's us, Emily and James. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, good morning, friends. We're starting a new day on our farm, and you are coming with us. Haha, exciting, right?
Before we begin, a quick tip. If you want to improve your English, listen carefully, repeat our words, and don't worry if you make mistakes. The secret is simple. Listen and repeat again and again.
Exactly. That's how we learn. So, are you ready to join us? Let's start our day.
James, did you pack the basket?
Almost. Let me check. Bread, cheese, water bottles. Oh, wait. Where's the fruit?
James, I told you last night, don't forget the apples.
Oh, yes, the apples. Okay, I'll grab them now.
Perfect. And don't forget the small notebook. We can write new words for our English practice.
Got it. Apples, notebook, and big smiles. Haha.
The morning feels so fresh today. Look at the sun coming over the fields.
Beautiful, right? The air smells like grass and flowers. I love this.
Okay, let's go to the stable first. The horses are waiting.
Yes, come on, hurry. I hear them moving already. Haha.
Wow, look, Bella is already awake.
Our sweet Bella. Good morning, girl.
She's shaking her head like she wants breakfast.
You're hungry, Bella? Let me bring you some hay.
James, remember last time? You gave her too much.
Haha, yes, I remember. Don't worry, only a little this time.
She's so calm today. Look at her eyes, so shiny.
When she looks at me like that, I just melt.
Oh, James, you're always so dramatic.
What? I love her. She's part of the family.
True. Okay, let's brush her hair a bit.
Sure, here, take the brush. Wow, she looks so beautiful now.
Bella sneezed. Aw, that was so cute.
Oh my, she sprayed dust on me.
James, your shirt. Now you smell like the stable.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. Farm life, Emily, farm life.
Okay, time to visit the chickens.
Yes, let's go. I hope they gave us many eggs today.
Oh, I love the sound of chickens in the morning. Cluck, cluck.
Haha, Emily, your chicken voice is perfect.
Look, they're already walking around. So many.
Careful, don't step on them. They're running everywhere.
Aw, one just jumped.
Wait, look inside the nest. Eggs.
Wow, so many eggs today. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10 eggs.
That's amazing. Our breakfast is ready.
Not yet. We need to cook them first, James.
Haha, true. But so fresh, so good.
Ouch! This little chicken just pecked my hand.
Haha, Emily, she just wants food. Give her some corn.
Okay, here you go. Now she's happy.
Haha, you look like a real farm girl.
And you look like, a man who still smells like horse hay?
Haha, guilty.
All right, James, where to next?
Let's check the buffalo.
Oh, that's always a big adventure. They're so strong.
Yes, but don't worry, they love us.
Are you sure? Last time, one of them ran after you.
Oh, come on, don't remind me. That was only because I dropped the bucket.
I still remember your face. Oh, so funny.
Ah, Emily. Okay, let's go see them. Look, Emily, the buffalo are already walking near the water.
Wow, they look so strong today. Their horns shine in the sun.
Careful, walk slowly.
James, don't worry. They know us. See, this one is coming closer.
Oh, yes. Good morning, big boy. Ah, his eyes look so calm.
Wait. Oh no, he's licking your arm.
Ah, it's wet. Emily, help.
Oh, James, you look so funny now.
Okay, enough buffalo kisses. Let's move to the sheep.
Yes, I love the sheep. Their wool is so soft.
Ah, listen. Bah, bah. So cute.
Look, the little lambs are running after their mother.
Oh, adorable.
Wait, one lamb is trying to bite my dress.
Maybe he thinks your dress is grass.
Oh, James, don't laugh. Help me.
Okay. Come here, little lamb. Ah, so soft.
The sheep always make me happy.
Me too. But the goats, they're a little crazy.
True. Let's see them.
Oh no, look, the goats are already climbing the fence.
Oh dear, they never stay calm.
Careful, one goat is looking at the basket.
Wait. Oh no, he stole an apple.
He's running away with it.
James, catch him.
No way, he's too fast.
Oh my, farm life is never boring.
That's true. Every day is a new story here.
Yes, and friends, when you hear us speak, try to repeat the words apple, basket, sheep, goat, laugh. Repeat them again and again.
Exactly. That's how English becomes part of you.
Ah, now the sun is high. Time for a small rest.
Yes, let's sit under the big tree.
Ah, the shadow feels so good.
Here, take some bread and cheese.
Mmm, so tasty and so fresh.
Even the goats are watching us.
No, this is our lunch, not yours.
You know, Emily, I feel so happy today.
Me too. It's a simple life, but full of love and joy.
And with English practice every day, it gets even better.
Yes, dear friends, remember, listen, repeat, don't be shy. Your English will grow, just like our farm grows every season.
Ah, well said, Emily.
So, thank you for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, our dear friends. We can't wait to see you again.
Until next time.
Bye-bye.